I'm in the Loop, a short walk from Millennium Park and the fabulous Riverwalk, steps from Macy's and State Street shops, from downtown theaters, Daily Plaza, and a wide variety of restaurants. I'm headed across the street for a walk through one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished short-term apartments at Marquee at Block 37. Marquee is a pet-friendly, high-amenity building with a large rooftop fitness center that includes a wide variety of cardio and strength training equipment. The landscaped sky terrace outside the fitness center has a hot tub and sweeping skyline views. The pool deck overlooks Daily Plaza and has private cabanas, grilling areas, and a dog run. Another outdoor terrace overlooks State Street. Resident lounge areas have coffee service and include a space with gaming tables, a comfortable media room, and a separate space for hosting events. The apartments have indoor access to the Block 37 shops, dine-in movie theaters and restaurants, and to the CTA Red and Blue Line stops and the underground pedway system. I'm standing in the foyer of apartment 1716 and looking at the elevator bank, which is literally steps away. The foyer has a hall console table, great for dropping your keys or your purse or whatever. Continuing into the unit, full-size stacked washer-dryer behind the louvered door off to your right. And off to the left as you would have entered, it's a very sleek bath with attractive finishes, wide walk-in shower with a frameless glass door, wide vanity with a bank of drawers for storage, and a wall-mounted medicine cabinet. Great setup. The sleeping area, and an alcove that's nicely set apart from the main living area. It's a wide closet in the sleeping area. Another closet off to the right as you continue into the apartment. Home office desk in a nook. Then this great sunny living space. Floor-to-ceiling windows facing south, and another window on the wing wall looking out over the Daily Plaza, which is currently hosting a Chris Kindle market, and spring and summer has a seasonal farmers market. Kitchen, since it's Sweet Home Chicago, has a welcoming packet, and it's kitted out with all the countertop appliances, cookware, cutlery, dishware, glassware, etc., that you're going to want to feel at home when you stay for a while. 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave, built-in dishwasher. It's a great room. It's wide for a studio, very attractively finished, has high ceilings that dramatically expand the space, and these great windows looking out over some of Chicago's iconic architecture. Sweet Home Chicago's offerings at Marquee at Block 37 are a sweet deal. It's a great location. Building has terrific amenities. You really want to have it high on your must-see list.